Hi, soulmates. Welcome to So Kiddies with Chomziji. I'm happy to have you here. If this is your first time coming across this channel, you are most welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for sticking around. So in today's video, we'll be making this baby dress for a baby of 5 years old. And please don't forget to like and subscribe, please. It's totally free. And you can drop any of your question in the comment section. So I started off by folding my fabric into 4. The length of this fabric is 16 and the width is 9. So I have this fabric folded into 4, 16 by 9. So after this, I went ahead to mark out a starting line. This is where all the measurements will be starting from. On this line, I will take in a shoulder measurement, divide by 2 plus ½ inch sewing allowance. And on that point, I came down by ½ inch, and this for the shoulder slope. And on that same line, I took in the neck width of 2.5 inches and neck depth of 1 inch for the back neckline and 2.5 for the front neckline. And I went ahead to connect it like so. So I have the neck width of 2.5 by 2.5 for the front and 2.5 by 1 for the back. And after that, on that shoulder slope, I came down with 5 inches, which will serve as the armhole depth. And this point will also serve as the chest line. So whatever I have on the shoulder line, I took it down just to make sure I have a straight line. And I will go ahead to reconnect it. This is just to ensure that my line is straight. And on that chest line, I took in the chest measurement divided by 4, then plus 1.5 inches sewing allowance, and I took it down like so. So this dress is a A-shaped dress. The upper bodice of this dress is A-shape. So from the shoulder slope, I took in the midpoint of the armhole. And on that point, I went inward with ½ inch, and this will be for the armhole cuff. So I went ahead to cuff the armhole like so. Next thing I did was to add ½ inch shoulder joining allowance by the shoulder. And after this, I'll go ahead to cut out. And if you have any question, just drop it in the comment section. I will gladly attend to it. And also don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. I will turn the fabric like so. Then on the back piece, I went down with 4 inches. This will be for the neck slit. I'll be slitting the back piece by 4 inches. This is just to ensure that the dress will pass easily on the baby's head. So after this, I will place both fabric right side facing each other, and I will join it with ½ inch by the shoulder. I will also use my bias to turn the neckline and the armhole, and also the neck slit for the back. So after this, I went ahead to sew it down with 1.5 inches allowance I gave while cutting it out. And next thing we'll be working on is the down part of this dress. So I have a very long piece of fabric here. This is 12 inches length. So the length of the down part of this dress is 12 inches, while the upper part is 16 inches. So this fabric is 145 inches long. So when cutting yours, just cut a very long piece of fabric that will be enough to go around the hem of this dress. So this is 60 inches here, then 45 inches. So that's 105 or so. And after this, I will bring the upper bodice of this dress, and I folded it like so. So from that point upward, I have about 3 inches upward. So when placing the fabric, place it about 3 inches upward. And I folded in 1 inch, meeting the side seam, so 1 inch like so. 1 inch in again, touching the first 1 inch, another 1 inch again, touching the previous 1 inch. So here I'm basically creating a bust pleat. Another 1 inch again, touching the previous 1 inch, and I'll keep doing this round this dress till I get to this side seam. So I'll be sewing on this part like so, straight. If you can't make a very straight line, just use your chalk to chalk it down, then you know where to sew exactly. So after this, I'll go ahead to hem the bottom part of these pieces. So I'll hem it half inch in like so. I'll be uploading a detailed tutorial on how to make the bowl on this dress, so turn on your post notifications so that you'll be notified when I drop the video. Next video will be on how to make the bowl on this dress. Thank you so much if you've watched up to this point. I honestly appreciate, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye.